This video will show you how to use the LXCE Update Express to create a repository of updates acquired from the Lenovo website. Launch the Update Express with administrator privileges. In the Welcome window, click Next. In the Target Server window, select Create a repository of updates. Click Next. In the Update Type window, select the type of updates you want to acquire. The Update Express System Packs is the preferred method to obtain firmware and drivers updates for the server. The latest available individual updates is the preferred method to install the latest updates. This option might give you newer updates and hotfixes. Select an option and click Next. In the Internet Access window, specify proxy information or custom URL security configuration if necessary. Click Test Connection to check the availability of the proxy or custom URL settings. Click Next. In the Machine Types window, select the machine types you want updates for. Click Next. In the Operating Systems window, select the operating systems you want updates for. Click Next. In the Target Directory window, specify which folder you want downloaded updates to be saved in. Click Next. If you selected latest available individual updates, the Update Selection window will be displayed. You have to manually select the updates you want to proceed. Click Next. In the Acquire Updates window, a download progress bar will be displayed. When the downloads are complete, click Next. In the Finish window, click Close to exit the application. The repository of updates has been created.